In this video, I'm going to review all the different types of cushions that I have used over the years, and I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of different cushions. So let's go with chronological order. This is a high-profile single compartment ROHO cushion. It used to belong to my second wheelchair, and at the time I was about 30 pounds lighter in my 20s. My wheelchair was 16 times 16 inches. But as I gained weight, this poor little cushion couldn't handle me anymore. It became increasingly painful to sit in my wheelchair. So therefore, this cushion became obsolete along with my wheelchair. This cushion right here symbolizes my middle age crisis. It's a much larger cushion. It's 16 inch times 18 inches. And this is a ROHO Quadro. It has 4 separate compartments. When I press this green button right here, air will flow freely between the compartment. And after taking my seat, I would then press the red button. Air will no longer be able to travel between the 4 compartments. The benefit of this feature is that it adjusts to my shape and it provides stability. Therefore, this is a much better cushion than the previous one. And one day I was introduced to this cushion. It's called Star Galaxy. It has elements of a ROHO cushion, so technically it's also an air cushion. It also has this contour design, contour shape. It hugs my tushy area effectively. And notice there's this gap right here, and this is where my tailbone sits. And when I sit, the tailbone is actually suspended in the air. This plays a huge role in pain reduction. This is the cushion that I placed on my indoor wheelchair. It's called J Union. It's a lot firmer than a air ROHO cushion. It has 3 layers. So the bottom layer is made of a foam. It's quite firm. And then there's a middle layer, and then on top of it, it's a memory foam. So the benefit of a firmer cushion is it provides stability and allows me to sit up straight. I'm able to use my core strength to hold my body up, and I'm not slouching when I sit in my wheelchair. This is a simple wheelchair cushion that I bought off Amazon. It's a foam cushion. It's about $40. It's really soft. It's really comfortable. So this provides an extra layer of support if I have to sit on the floor or on surfaces that is a little bit too hard. So I also bought this cushion off Amazon for about $90. It's a low profile ROHO cushion. The differences between a low profile and a high profile ROHO cushion is that a low profile cushion provides more stability. And lastly, I have this cushion that I bought off Amazon for about $40. It's a foam cushion, and I love the contour design. And this feature right here, this is what my tailbone is. And again, it plays a huge role in pain reduction. I often bring this when I go to a restaurant. The heights of tables and chairs in a restaurant are compatible to each other. If I remain in my wheelchair, then the table might be too tall or too low for me. Therefore, if I transfer onto their chair, I need to put this cushion on top of it. It provides stability as well as comfort and pressure relief.